What's up, fam? We are in a parking lot and I am letting FSD Beta take me out of it. Okay, so it is navigating. That made a left. Obviously sees the car there. Just gonna slow down a little bit. Realizes nothing's going on. We do have a car coming into the drive-through, so we will see. All right, so then it navigated that well. All right, so now it's trying to see if we can make a left, a safe left turn. All right, it's gonna go straight, still checking, no one there. So now it's gonna make a clean left turn. Perfecto. It's great. All right, we're gonna make a left here. If I haven't said before, this is FSD Beta 10 2020.48.35.1. This is the 10th build since October 21st. We had like an 18-day drought until we got this past weekend. So really happy to be testing this out to see how far it can go. All right, so made a clean left turn, gonna get in the right lane. We got a light here. Alright, so went through the light. Gonna give this turning pressure. Alright, so we're gonna get a lane over. I'm gonna give it the turning pressure. Okay. And we have a construction zone here. So it sees that. Okay. Slowing down. Definitely you can see it slow down. Okay. So we have still going. Alright, made it through. Giving that turn pressure. Alright, we're gonna make a left here. All the way to the left side. Oh. Don't know what that was. Why it went over one lane and then back over. So that kind of is annoying. But I did send it in. All right, we're making a left here. Okay. All right, so that stayed in its lane. Getting over fairly soon. So doing the weird blinker thing. Going straight. All right, we're switching lanes. This is going to be a huge loop, so I know it can handle it. Sorry, when it stopped, my bottle of water turned over and another bag, so that's the reason for the noise down there. But so handled that very well. So okay, so we're gonna make a right here. Okay, it's gonna go into a yield, turned green, so it's just gonna go straight through. We're at a traffic light, but overall Beta is doing well. I mean, again, there's just the small things that I think you saw that kind of come with this. Grab that. All right, so looks like we have a construction zone up here. There's a 30 mile per hour sign up here. Let's see if it recognizes that and drops the speed limit. Let's see. Okay, clearly it's there. So, and it did not drop. Okay, so I'm gonna manually drop it down to 30. Okay, so, oh, it did see it. Okay, so now it's going into this lane, but clearly it's gonna be guided out. Okay, so send that in, but it did a good job, even though it was trying to go over in that lane to be adjusted back, and it did get adjusted to the 30 miles per hour, so that's good. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. All right, bye.